Nice.
It's like hello.
Hello?
Hello? I'm here.
That's gonna open the video. That's
What would you do with a brain if you had one?
Do? Why, if I had a brain, I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching if I only had a brain. I'd unravel every riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain.
With the thoughts you'd be thinking you could be another Lincoln if you only had a brain.
Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could think of things I never thought before, and then I'd sit and think some more. I would not be just a nuffin', my head all full of stuffin', my heart all full of pain. I would dance and be merry, life would be a ding-a-dairy if I only had a brain.
Nuggets coming. Nuggets.
We saw the noises trapped in your heart. Namaste. I have an eye patch. It goes blue, blue pumpkin. And I was like, it's your boy, blue, blue pumpkin. Like, it's your boy, citrus waterfalls. It's your boy, whiff of lemons.
It's your boy, whatever's in front of me. That is an eyebrow. Oh,
For the day.
oh.
I need a pirate. I need a pirate. I need a pirate. I'm looking right at you. Pirate, pirate, pirate. Ah, no! It's your boy. Curly brows. Thanks to OxyClean.
No, like from this angle. You crazy boy. Let me do more streaks on your neck. You look terrible. Vogue.